Hi all, welcome to data structure tutorial sessions. In this session, I am going to explain different expression conversions with the help of a stack data structure. In my previous videos, I have explained how to convert an infix expression into the postfix expression with the help of a stack data structure, and how to convert an infix expression into the prefix expression with the help of a stack data structure. In this session, I am going to explain different conversions with the help of stack data structure, like postfix to the prefix with the help of a stack, prefix to the postfix with the help of a stack, prefix to the infix with the help of a stack, postfix to the infix with the help of a stack data structure. In general, an algebraic expression can be represented in three ways. First one is by using infix expression, or by using prefix, or by using postfix. What is meant by an infix expression? If the operator is in between the operands, then it is known as an infix expression. If the operator is placed in between the operands, that's why it is known as infix. In means in between. Second one is prefix. Prefix means if the operator is placed before the operands, then it is known as prefix expression. That means if the operator precedes the operands, it is known as prefix expression. Next one is postfix expression. If the operator is placed after the operands, if the operator is placed after the operands, then it is known as postfix expression. If the operator succeeds the operand, then it is known as postfix expression. Prefix expression is also known as Polish notation. Polish notation. Postfix notation is known as reverse Polish notation, as well as suffix notation. Suffix notation. All these are the different types of representations coming to the algebraic expression. Okay. In this session, I am going to explain different expression conversions. The first conversion is converting an expression from postfix to the prefix. So what is the postfix expression? A, B plus. A, B plus is the postfix expression. Convert this expression into which one? Prefix. So what is the corresponding prefix for this one? Plus A, B. Very simple steps. First one is coming to the conversion. Scan the expression from left to right. Scan the given postfix expression. Scan the postfix expression from left to right. Scan the postfix expression from left to right. That is from A to the up to \0. Next, first step is if it is an operand. If it is an operand, then push into the stack. If it is an operand, then push into the stack. What is the second step? If it is an operator, then pop the topmost two elements, then pop two elements. Elements are nothing but operands here. Why? Because if it is an operand, then push into the stack. Okay, and then create a string. How to create a string? It is very simple. How to create a string? So scan the given expression from left to right. Postfix to prefix conversion also is just a stack data structure. If it is an operand, then push into the stack. Again, if it is an operand, then push into the stack. If it is an operator, then pop the topmost two elements. So first popped element is placed on the last position. Second popped element is placed on the before last position. First place the second popped element after the operator. Next place the first popped element. Okay. So string is equal to operator plus means concatenation. Here plus means concatenation. Next A means which one? Second popped element. Second popped operand. Plus means concatenation operator. What is B here? First popped operand. First pop operand. First popped operand. Operator here is plus. Operator is plus. Concatenation operator. Second popped element is which one? A. And first popped element is which one? B. B. So that is nothing but plus AB. Plus AB. So create a string and push this one into the stack. After creating the string, push into the stack. Push this string into the stack data structure. Push this string into the stack data structure. Take an example. Take an example. Your postfix expression is assume that ABC star plus. ABC star plus. Convert that expression into which one? Prefix expression. How to convert? Scan the expression from left to right. If it is an operand, then push into the stack. A is an operand, so push into the stack. B is an operand, push into the stack. C is an operand, then push into the stack. Next, star is an operator. If it is an operator, then pop how many elements? 2 elements, means 2 operands, and then create a string. What is a string? ST operator plus, star, operator is star, concatenation. What is the second popped element among C and B? B. B, concatenation. What is the first popped element? C. That is nothing but star BC. Push the string into the stack data structure. Push the string. Already stack contains A. This string is star BC. Star BC is one operand. Next one is plus. Plus. Is plus is an operand or operator? Operator. Then pop the topmost 2 operands and then create a string. How to create a string? String is equal to, what is my operator? Plus concatenation operator. What is the second popped element? A. Concatenation. What is the first popped element? Star BC. That is nothing but plus A star BC, and then push this one into the stack. That is plus A star BC. Is there any input? Next one is \0. When an expression ended, the value or the expression in the stack is the final result. That is, this is the prefix expression. So what is the prefix expression? Plus A star BC. So for the given postfix expression, prefix expression is plus A star BC. Here the important thing is create a string. How to create a string? Operator, concatenation, second popped element as well as first popped operand. Second popped operand as well as first popped operand. Second one is converting an expression from prefix to the postfix. Converting an expression from prefix to the postfix expression. What is a prefix expression? Plus AB is the prefix expression. What is the corresponding postfix expression? AB plus. Plus AB is the prefix expression. Convert that prefix expression into which one? Postfix expression with the help of a stack data structure. The first step is scan the expression from right to left. Scan the expression from right to left. What is that expression? Prefix expression. So scan the prefix expression from right to left. If it is an operand, then push into the stack. If it is an operand, then push into the stack. If it is an operator, then pop the 2 elements and create a string. How to create a string? Very simple. Scan the expression from right to left. What is the first one? B. If it is an operand, means push. A means operand, push. Next plus. Plus is an operator. Plus is an operator. Then pop 2 elements from the stack. Pop 2 elements from the stack. Then how to create a string? String is equal to first popped element. First popped element. That means operand. Concatenation. Followed by second popped operand. Second popped operand. Concatenation. Operator. Okay. This is the way to create a string while converting a prefix expression into postfix expression. First popped operand, concatenation. Second popped operand, concatenation, operator. So when an operator comes, what is the first popped element? A. So first popped operand is A, concatenation. What is the second popped operand? B, concatenation. What is my operator? Plus. Plus. So what is this string? AB plus. And then push the string into the stack. And push the string into the stack. Into the stack. When an expression ended, the expression in the stack is the final postfix expression. Example is plus A star BC. My example is plus A star BC. What is the first one? Scan the prefix expression from right to left. Scan it from right to left. What is the first one? C. If it is an operand, then push into the stack. If it is an operand, then push into the stack. What is the second one? B. Push into the stack. Why? Because B is also an operand. What is the third one? Star. Is star is operand or operator? Operator. Then pop how many elements? 2 elements. B as well as C. What is the first popped element? B. What is the second popped element? C. Why? Because stack follows last in first out principle. Okay. And then create a string. String is equal to, what is the first popped operand? B. And what is the second popped operand? C. B, concatenation. C, concatenation. What is the operator? Star. That is nothing but B, C, star. And then push the string into the stack. Push the string into the stack. That is BC star. Next one is A. A is an operand. That's why push into the stack. Next one is plus. Plus is an operator. Then pop the topmost 2 ones. A as well as BC star. What is the first popped operand? A. Second popped operand is BC star. So create a string. String is equal to, first popped operand is A, concatenation. Second popped operand is BC star, concatenation. BC star, concatenation. What is the operator? Plus. So that is equal to ABC star plus. Push the string into the stack. Push the string into the stack. That is ABC star plus. ABC star plus. When an expression ended, the expression in the stack is the final expression. What is that expression? Postfix expression. So for the given prefix expression, what is the postfix expression? ABC star plus. This is the way to convert the postfix expression into prefix expression.